Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of game-changing tools, tech, and gadgets that make your life easier and way more efficient. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, HOTO Screwdriver Set. The HOTO Electric Screwdriver Tool Set is the perfect combination of precision, portability, and power. Designed for the modern DIYer, it features a 3.6-volt electric screwdriver with a variety of attachments and bits, all neatly packed in a sleek case. The entire toolkit is built with soft-touch handles for comfort, and the tools are durable enough to last through countless projects. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or handling small repairs around the house, this compact, battery-powered screwdriver set ensures efficiency without the bulk. Certified with CE, FCC, and more, it's safe, effective, and ready when you are. Number 5, KTea Tea Set. If you appreciate the art of tea, the KTea Magical One-Key Brewing Set brings elegance and simplicity together. This mini glass tea set, complete with a built-in infuser, is perfect for travel or office use. With a 330 milliliter capacity, it's designed for brewing the perfect cup of Kung Fu-style tea wherever you go. Crafted from high-quality glass and finished in a natural walnut tone, this kit is compact, durable, and effortlessly stylish. A one-touch mechanism makes brewing tea quick, clean, and satisfying. It's a must-have for tea lovers who value both aesthetics and practicality. Number 4, Brushless Multi-Tool. The Brushless Multi-Tool Set is an all-in-one solution for those who demand power and versatility. This high-performance tool runs on 21V and includes functions like an electric screwdriver, reciprocating saw, and polishing machine, all in one device. Equipped with a brushless 4815 motor, it delivers up to 24,000 RPM with multiple gear options. Compatible with most Makita 18V B-series batteries. It's a powerhouse that adapts to your needs. It even includes a power display, safety lock, and gear control via an intelligent panel. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or polishing, this tool is ready for serious work. Number 3, MUKUTA Electric Scooter. Commuters and adventure seekers, meet your next ride, the MUKUTA 10 Plus scooter. Built for all terrains, this off-road electric scooter is packed with dual motors that deliver a whopping 2,800 watts of power. It has a top-tier 60-volt battery system that delivers up to 120 kilometers of range on a single charge. The 10-inch tires, folding design, and robust construction make it ideal for city travel or countryside exploration. With CE certification and a charging time of 6 to 8 hours, it's efficient, reliable, and definitely not your average ride. Number 2, Classic Car Stereo. The Classic C1 MP5 car radio is a multimedia powerhouse for your vehicle, featuring a 6.86-inch IPS touchscreen. It supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity. The single-DIN universal fit means it's compatible with most cars, making installation hassle-free. With built-in GPS navigation, Bluetooth calling, and music streaming, you can drive smarter and safer. The vibrant display ensures clarity whether you're watching videos or navigating through city streets. It's a modern upgrade for any car that blends functionality with sleek aesthetics. Number 1, Makita Brushless Blower. Finally, for those serious about yard work and cleanliness, the Makita DUB362Z blower is an absolute beast. This dual 18V brushless blower delivers high air velocity of up to 54 meters per second, perfect for clearing leaves, dust, and debris with ease. It features a 3-stage telescopic nozzle, 6-speed air volume control, and variable speed trigger. Powered by two 18V Li-ion batteries, it offers up to 61 minutes of runtime on low and 9.5 minutes on high. Lightweight at just 4.1 kilograms and engineered for performance, it's ideal for homeowners and professionals alike. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.